Hello and welcome guys. In today's session I am going to show how we can upload file in Blazor server app. This video is a part of Blazor series which is started from fundamental of Blazor. If you are interested learning Blazor and don't want to miss any of the session, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Let's get started. For this session to input file, we are going to use Blazor input file NuGet package manager. Go to Visual Studio, go to your NuGet package console, search Blazor input file or direct copy paste this text, click on install, accept. It will take few seconds or few minutes. So our Blazor input file has been installed successfully. Now go to open your import.razor file. Here you need to import two new namespaces which is called system.io and Blazor input file, the particular NuGet package. Next, create a folder here or service here. I'm just creating one more folder, name and service. Here I'm going to create one interface which is called IO upload, our new item. Here it is interface. In this interface, I'm just declaring a task upload file where I'm I file list entry. You can go and you need to using that Blazor input file, this one. Next, create a file upload class in your data. So here inside my data folder, I'm creating one more class here. That is file upload class. So here you can see I'm just need to add this namespace here, core hosting, again Blazor input file, and this is input use system.io. So all this. So what I did, I just declared read-only variable which is I web host environment. In the file upload constructor class, I just assign what are the web host. Then I created a async task class, means this interface, I'm calling this particular interface member, implementing the interface member inside this class. Var path equal to path.combine, what is the content root path and what is the uploaded file. So here actually I'm creating one more folder here for uploading the file, to store the uploaded file. Okay, next, this is the part of that we created one interface. This is the member of interface we implemented in our class. Next part, go to particular file upload.razor. Here I want to show particular file selection. So here you can see input. This input file only come once you added the NuGet package. So here I am giving on change, this one. Sorry, I need to inject this. First I need to add using my application dot services, then inject I find that particular interface, that is file upload. Next, here I am calling a JavaScript, so I'm just going to inject JavaScript runtime. So you can see it's also gone. Next part, we need to add a scope inside our startup class. Go to the startup. Here we need to add this interface in our file upload class here using application name dot service. Next, what I am going to do here, you can see after here I am just uploading the file. Here I am calling the particular interface implementation member class. So after this I am calling one JavaScript show message file. So this JavaScript is present here. You can see session show message file. I am getting file name, file size, file type, and displaying in a div. So this div is here. I have created this message div. I am displaying the file name type. Okay, and I am storing the complete file inside my uploaded file folder. Run the application and we will see. Guys, to save the time, I copy paste. I already written this code. Some error is coming. So we are getting here one error. This is cannot be used as a parameter this particular file classes. Oops, I forgot to inherit. Here I need to be inherit that particular, derive that interface. So now see, now this error gone. Run the application. So here choose the file. Let's say so it is what is the file name, what is the file size, and what is the file type. Select go to application. You can see Blazor fast app.png added here. I am uploading one more. Let's say I am uploading today session file upload. You can see file upload.png size and the type. Go to here. You can see file upload.png. So in this way we can upload file to our Blazor server app. Guys, if you like my video, give me a like and share this video with your friend. Thank you very much.